Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. Hope you all are doing well. Here is a guided video to fill the item analysis. You have conducted the paper in your grades in all schools. So we have executed the same paper in all these schools together. So I'm just guiding you how can you fill this item analysis easily and avoid any trouble getting it filled. First of all, take a look here. This is particularly QBHHSS grade 7 schools item analysis. You will find your student's name and ID number here. If someone is missing, for example, the student you are filling it out, you find he is not present here or he is not appearing here, you just need to write down the IXL number here, for example, like this, and then write down the name. What will you do after that? Take a look at your paper. In your paper you have got 4 different sections. For example, look at this: reading comprehension, and then grammar, vocabulary, and writing part. So what will you do? How will you fill it out? Look at this particular question is from reading, question number 1. So you have to write down here R question number 1, R question number 1, and the number of this question is 0.5, so you have to write here 0.5. Okay, and then what will you do? You have to go to question number 2. Question number 2 is about matching vocabulary, marks 2. You have to write here R stand for reading and question number 2, and you will write here number 2. In the same sense, you will complete the reading part of the paper. Let's say question number 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will be writing down here question number 3, R question number 3, R question number 3, and its numbers are 3. So you will write here 3, and then question number 4, answer the following question, 4.5. So you will be writing here reading question number 4, 4.5. So this is the reading part you have done. Then grammar starts, so you have to write here GQ5, GQ1, for example, grammar question number 1, and you will be given the number 3 here. In the same sense, you will fill it out and then select your student's paper and then fill it out. You will have all the sections here. If something is not worked for you or you find something difficult, you may just contact me. I will try to help you out from here. So I want you to fill it out as soon as possible, and please provide me. It will enhance the input, just because we want to observe that to what extent students are able to achieve these questions, or it will help us to remain informed and make the input more more concrete and more achievable and more effective. So I want your cooperation in this. Hopefully this video will help you, particularly in filling out this data. I just want you to work on your own sheet. This is particularly grade 7 sheet, so I will be sharing separate sheet for each grade and for each school. Thank you so much.